Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by writing a 30-second persona summary that defines purpose and emotional range. Specify the character's goals, limits, and background in plain sentences. Choose 3 core traits that will guide every response for consistent personality. Decide on voice markers like formality level and slang frequency for style control. Prepare 1 to 2 example prompts and 2 sample responses to demonstrate desired tone and pacing. Finalize a short rule set that limits unsafe or out-of-use layered prompts that separate system instructions, persona details, and user examples for control. Write the system line to establish platform rules and safety boundaries first. Add the persona block with the 30-second summary and the 3 core traits next. Include a brief rule set listing prohibited topics and allowed content for clarity. Test the prompt suite with 5 varied prompts that cover different emotional states and tasks. Iterate on wording until responses match the intended tone and limits. Refine the character through iterative testing and focused feedback loops with users. Run 10 to 20 test interactions and log where the voice drifts or rules break. Create corrective instructions that address repeated mistakes and add them to the system prompt. Adjust model settings like temperature and max tokens to balance creativity and response length. Monitor for bias and safety issues, removing or tightening instructions as required. Repeat this cycle until the character reliably produces consistent, engaging, and safe responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.